Good morning, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, प्यारे दोस्तों, in previous period we have talked about understanding what we read, and we have seen question answers from unit number 7, Hector the collector. Okay, now let's move to the next activity from page number 81, that is spelling and vocabulary. So let's improve our spelling knowledge and vocabulary power. Okay, so here A, learn to use better words. Okay, learn to use better words. Use these words and phrases given in the box to replace the underlined phrases. Here some sentences are given and we have to replace these phrases, okay, underlined phrases words into the new word, okay, and to make the सेंटेंस इन अ बेटर वे. ओके, हमें रिप्लेस करके एक नया शब्द यूज करना है एंड अच्छे से सेंटेंस बनाना है. सो द कार हिट अ ट्री एंड द windshield broke into small pieces. Okay, so what is the meaning of broke into small pieces is given here, and we have to write down the appropriate word from this box. Okay, so what is the word for that? The car hit a tree and the wind shield, it will take time, broken into small pieces means shattered. Okay, shield shattered. Okay, so see how the sentence, these phrases is replaced by this word shattered. The meaning is same. Okay, shattered. Now second, Hemant went out and did not appear for an hour. So what is the meaning of did not appear? Did not appear means वो दिखा ही नहीं, means disappear. Okay, so Hemant went out and we have disappeared. Okay, so did not in past tense and disappeared. Okay, means वहां से गायब ही हो गया, दिखा ही नहीं किसी को. Underline this, disappeared. Okay, so dear friends, you have to write down all these things into your notebook and this textbook as well. Okay, for an hour. Okay, then we said we would complete our work by Monday. Okay, means we would said, हमने कहा मतलब हमने प्रॉमिस किया कि मंडे तक हम अपना वर्क पूरा कर देंगे. वी, सो व्हाट इज हियर, विच वर्ड हमने कहा? प्रॉमिस. यस, प्रॉमिस. वी प्रॉमिस्ड टू कंप्लीट, ओके, टू कंप्लीट आवर वर्क बाय मंडे. बाय मंडे मीन्स मंडे तक. ओके, so you have to use such words. Okay, dear friends. Number 4, the jeans lost their color after being dried in the sun. Lost their color means उसका कलर उड़ गया. ओके, सो कलर उड़ने को हम कहते हैं कलर फेडेड हो जाना. ओके, सो द जीन्स फेडेड मीन्स कलर उड़ जाना. ओके, losing color, faded after being dried in the sun. Okay, so then faded, underline. Okay, faded, we got it. faded लिखना है दोस्तों आपको. we did not listen to मतलब नहीं सुनना. मतलब हम क्या करते हैं? ओके, टीचर मीन्स टीचर अगर नहीं सुनते तो दैट इज कॉल्ड डिसओबे. ओके, सो द सेंटेंस विल बी वी डिड नॉट लिसन टू अवर टीचर एंड गॉट इनटू ट्रबल. हम अपने टीचर की बात नहीं मानते और फिर हमें मुश्किल में पड़ना पड़ता है. वी डिसओबेड. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिड नॉट लिसन? डिसओबेड. ओके, डिसओबेड आवर टीचर and got into trouble. Trouble means difficulties, problem. Okay, देन ही ट्राइड टू शो, दिखाने की कोशिश किया, ओके, tried to show that he was ill but we all knew he was fine. ट्राइड टू शो मतलब दिखावा किया, ट्राइड टू शो मतलब उसने दिखाने की कोशिश किया कि वो बीमार है, लेकिन हमें पता था कि वो अच्छा था. सो ऐसे दिखावे करने को हम कहते हैं प्रिटेंड करने, ओके, प्रिटेंड करना, प्रिटेंडेड, ओके. सो सेंटेंस विल बी ही प्रिटेंडेड दैट he was ill. What is the meaning of ill? बीमार होना, sick होना. But we all knew he was fine. Okay, full stop. Then Mrs. Dasgupta made us feel bad. Made us feel bad when she said our picnic had been cancelled. Okay, made us feel bad मतलब हमको बुरा लगा, मतलब हमें क्या किया मैडम ने, कैसी न्यूज़ दी जिससे हम क्या हुए, डिसअपॉइंट हुए, नाराज हुए. ओके, सो मिसेस दास गुप्ता डिसअपॉइंटेड अस. ओके, डिसअपॉइंटेड मतलब जो हमारी इच्छा थी उसको पूरी नहीं की. ओके, मिसेस दास गुप्ता डिसअपॉइंटेड अस when she said our picnic, I am writing here, had been cancelled. Dear students, you have to note down all these words properly into your notebook, okay, and textbook as well. Number 8, we said we were sorry. We said we were sorry. Sorry के लिए we है words है, it is the word is given apologized. Okay, so we apologized, माफी मांगना, okay, सॉरी कहना, apologized, and our teacher said it was all right. All right means उसने कहा कि चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, मतलब माफ कर दिया. टीचर सो सेड इट वाज ऑल राइट मीन्स फॉरगिव अस. ओके, टीचर फॉरगिव अस. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव सीन हियर कि हाउ वी हैव रिप्लेस वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस विद द न्यू वर्ड. ओके, so in this way we can talk better, we can write better in a better way by replacing some new and more words, and that's why we have to read a lot and learn a lot to improve our vocabulary power. Okay, now let's move to the next activity, that is B. Encircle the words that do not rhyme with the other words in each line. हमें उस वर्ड को सर्कल करना है जो इन अदर वर्ड्स में से, इस ग्रुप में अदर वर्ड से मैच नहीं होता, मीन्स राइमिंग नहीं होता. ओके, राइमिंग वर्ड्स आर दोज वर्ड्स विच साउंड द सेम इन टोनिंग. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. विच वन इज नॉट द राइमिंग? कलेक्टर, इन्वेंटर, फ्लोर, एंटर एंड सेंटर. सो फ्लोर, the pronunciation is different. So floor is the floor do not match with or rhyme with the other words. Traveler, collector, hector, cashier and color. Traveler, collector, hector, cashier, color. So cashier is the little bit different in pronunciation. Okay, so let's circle it, cashier. This word does not match with the other, rhyme with the other. Tongue, turn, young, hung, among. Okay, so which word is there? So turn. Okay, then number 4, clothes, nose, freeze, throws, clothes. Okay, clothes. So clothes, nose, freeze, throws, clothes. all only freeze इसमें I साउंड आ रहा है. ओके, और बाकी में O साउंड आ रहा है. So this does not rhyme with the other words in this line. Okay, so in this way, dear students, we have to find out the rhyming words and which have the similar sound or not. Okay, I hope you have understood it well. Now let's move to the next page and complete that activity. Okay, so please turn page number 81. So now we are on page number 82. So match the opposites of these verbs. Okay, हमें opposite लिखना है और मैच करना है. ओके, सो some words are given in column A and B. Okay, we have to match these words. So you have to, dear students, you have to do it into your textbook, but you have to learn the spellings as well. Okay, so appear, disappear. Okay, so appear, disappear. Okay, then begin, begin means शुरुआत करना, so end. Okay, so option D. All right, then close, बंद करना, A, open. All right, how easy it is for you. Depart, okay, निकल जाना, arrive means पहुंचना. Okay, then find, lose. Okay, then move to the number 6. Forget, भूल जाना, remember, याद रखना, है ना. These are very very simple words, but you have to learn these by heart. So sleep, सोना, awake, जागना, stop, start, है ना. कितना easy है. Take, give, option yep, and undo, do. This option is in computer. Okay, so this type of words you have to match and learn these words. These are the opposite words. Okay, so I hope, dear students, today you have, in today's period, you have understood all these activities. Okay, so please learn well, do well, and do study at your home. Enjoy studies. Thank you and see you in the next period.